I have no idea what's in this box. It says on here, Zeus, I think that's Zeus. It says, we make, we supply, we deliver. It's got a telephone number and a website. And I haven't checked it out to see what they actually make. And I haven't found out yet what's actually in the box. So you will probably know before me exactly what's in this box because of the title. So what we're going to do is obviously do the unboxing, find out exactly what's inside, and we'll go from there. Because I have several parts coming for different stuff or different reviews, and like I said, I have no idea what this is at the moment. But I'm looking forward to it. Could be anything. So with that, let's do the unboxing and find out exactly what's in the box. Right, let's have a quick look in the mystery box. Find out exactly what's in here. Ooh. Right, so we have some new SaharaGaming fans, these little babies here, and I believe that's a little controller of some sort. Sync PCB card black. Oh, very nice. They did tell me they were sending them. I wasn't expecting them just yet. But yeah, looking forward. Now these, right, I'm not sure how much they are, but I will find out for you, and I will stick a price up there right now if I know. If not, I will stick a price or a link in the video description so you can go and check them out yourself. But these, the way these work, you can actually link them together. So they've used the same idea that some of the other companies have done when they linked them together. The only thing about these, is probably the best thing about these, is these should be cheaper than most of the other manufacturers, especially the main manufacturers. These should be a lot cheaper for you to purchase. So we are going to be testing them out. I'm actually going to test them out, probably lay them out on my desk so you can have a look and see how easy it is to connect. And also I will be swapping out some fans on one of my computers and putting these in, hopefully, if all goes well. If not, I will do it at a later date. So with that, let's get her out. Well, actually, let's do this little thing first. Sync PCB card black. Now this is the little device for syncing up your device to your computer, or to your motherboard I should say. That looks like a little chip on there, doesn't it? Now that is different. I've not seen one like that before. I might have to contact them and say, here, how does this work? Get that away. So there's your 3-pin connection. So you've got 3 different ways of connecting it. Yes, I will look into that more closely, and I might even actually use that. That is if you want to sync it to your motherboard, which most people will probably want to do at some point. Will link it to their, motherboard. So I'm not sure what that's for. Anyway, let's get on with it. Let's have a look at one of these little babies. So, thank you SaharaGaming, by the way. Right. See that? Ah, look, there's a little plate comes off here. Oh, that's quite easy to understand. So, screws for mounting it onto your case. Oh, I see. So these must link together somehow. Right, so that will link to that, and then that will link to your motherboard. I've got it. Yes. Oh, that is very nice. Right, let's get another one out. Let's see how easy it is to link together. Ah, look, there you go. Got pins. So pins on one side, connection on the other side. So they will link up basically like that. Aha. Oh, I see. So that goes in like that. Yeah. Slide it. Ooh. Yeah. That's quite easy to do. Let's get the other one out. I'm getting excited now. Yeah, see? They look really good, don't they? So the wind will pass through that way and come out that way, in case you wanted to know. First impressions, feels like quality actually. That does feel pretty solid, and nice bit of rubber padding there for vibrations. Right, I need to plug it in. I need to test it. How can I test it? We need one of these. This, how does this connect? Ah, I think I got it. So that will go on there, hopefully like that. Yes. Always a little arrow. If I got it the right way, let's have a look, let's have a look. No arrow there. Right, show, there's an arrow there. See that? Arrow. So arrow, arrow, so it goes like that. Yeah. That was easy. So I need to find out how many things you need to connect. I think it's just the one, but I could be wrong. So it's just the one controller. So I'm going to plug that in to my controller, because I already had some plugged in, controllers that is, and give it a test. If not, I will plug it into that, which is, I believe it's that one there. Arrow to arrow. No, it's not that one there, is it? That one will go into your motherboard. Right, so that one can go straight onto the controller. Yeah, it makes sense now. I'm there. So that goes on to your controller. If you've got a controller, you put that on there. If not, then what you need to do is use this, and this will go onto your motherboard. Actually, I might actually try that on the motherboard. Yeah, good idea, Yorkie. So with that, let me have a little play about with it, and I'll see what I can do. Right, so I've plugged it in, but don't forget there's two ways you can connect these. One, you can use the SaharaGaming controller, which I've got plugged in at the back, and you can use this single cable, yes, that comes with the fans, or for around about £10, you can buy the extra connector and plug it straight into the motherboard. So I thought the best way to do it was to plug it straight into the motherboard. So we have one lead going to the fan controller and one lead going to the RGB controller on the motherboard. And I thought, well, that's going to be easy. So I thought, well, that'd be the best thing to do. So with that, let's turn her on and see if she actually works. And I don't have a monitor plugged in or anything like that at the moment. And there you go. So it works perfectly, no issues whatsoever, as I would expect anyway. I will turn off the lights in a minute, but something I want to talk about is the computer build, in case you're interested. So this is a SaharaGaming case, believe it or not. Also, the all-in-one water cooling system, this little baby here, is again made by SaharaGaming, and that is cooling my AMD 5950X, one of the best processors out on the market today, and it's keeping it nice and cool. Alright, it's only just turned on at the moment, but it normally sits around about 27, 28, which I thought was pretty good, and it keeps it nice and cool. I don't use this computer a lot because I'm still waiting for my 3080 graphics card to turn up, and I have no idea when that's going to turn up, but hopefully before Christmas 2021, hopefully. But as you can see, they work really well. Let's have a noise test. they are really quiet. They are very quiet. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 9 fans running in there at the moment, and yeah, they look pretty good. I'm going to turn off the studio lights, and we're going to see what it looks like in the dark. Let me know in the comments what you think. I think they look really nice. They do what they're supposed to do. Hopefully try and keep the computer nice and cool. Easy to use, easy to connect, either straight onto your motherboard. Don't forget, you need that connection. Or if you've got a SaharaGaming controller, you can plug it into there. It will not work on third-party controllers. Something to bear in mind. If you're thinking about buying one of these and you want to use a controller, make sure it's a SaharaGaming controller, or just buy this little adapter. Like I said, I will stick links in the video description to SaharaGaming. Please check them out because they are sponsoring today's video, and it does help me to get more sponsorship like this. So consider sponsoring me by just going to their website and checking them out. Also, you will find it's probably cheaper to buy it straight from SaharaGaming than, say, for instance, Amazon. You might find it's actually cheaper to go straight there rather than go to Amazon, but it's entirely up to you. I will stick a link in for SaharaGaming, and also if they're out for sale by the time I finish this video, I will stick a link into Amazon in case you want to buy it from Amazon. So with that, let me know if you like this video by giving me the thumbs up, and if you didn't, give me the thumbs down. Please subscribe. It doesn't cost you any money, and again, it helps the channel to grow. Thanks very much for watching. I like them. Oh, and watch out, I'm going to do a install of these at a later date. So keep an eye out for that one.